Well, and you brought up some good points because, one, um, Rex kind of mentioned this earlier, but we focus on this a lot when we're working with plans to do target setting at the beginning because, let's look at what kind of measure movement is realistic, right? You don't just set your target at a 4 or 5 star because you feel like you should. Is it realistic, right? But maybe it's not realistic to get to that next star rating in this next year, but it is very realistic to get up above the QI significant improvement threshold. So I would say, work to build that into your target setting from the outset so you can maybe sidestep that landmine that you're talking about. But as the year progresses, you use OMW. Sometimes there are big gaps between cut points, right? And it's like, wow, there's no way we're going to get up to this one. So you stop. But if you just did a little bit, sometimes it's like when we go through the target setting exercises, we're highlighting what the projected QI significant improvement threshold is because it's a piece, right, that you should consider. And more times than I can count, someone's like, I'm not sure if that's right. That looks like we only have to move it, this much to get to it. Well, that's actually true. And so that's part of it is uncovering some of the details around your contract with your numerator denominator. Like, how does this apply to you? And how do I make decisions as the year goes to really optimize my scores?